How to redeem a code on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can redeem a code on Remitly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is signing into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you will be brought to your home page automatically. On this page, you can see options like send money, you can see transfer history, refer friends, etc. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see the welcome address. Once you've seen it, click on it. Then in the box displayed, you can see settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. Just go ahead and click on redeem offer. After clicking on redeem offer, you'll be taken to the redeem offers page. So yeah, the code that you would like to redeem, just come over here and paste it here. All right, just ensure you've copied the code already. Paste the code here, click on apply offer, and then just like that, the code will be redeemed, and then it will be applied to your next transfer. So ensure you make use of this. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.